A warm welcome to everyone. I'm Ipshita Naik.
And I am Shreyas Panda. We together are representing DPS Dhenkanal.
So, let's start with a starting truth. About 71% of our planet is covered in water. Yet, despite this abundance of water, we still face global water shortage problems due to contaminated and polluted water that is just because of human activities only.
Consider the facts from our streets. When rainwater washes over roads, it carries along dirt, dust, debris, plastics, and many more wastage particles along with it into the drainage system.
So, to effectively mitigate these pressing problems, we need some innovative solution. Our proposal centered on a technique we call street rainwater harvesting system. So,
Now, you might be wondering how exactly we are going to create this vision into a reality and how are we going to take any steps for implementation. For deeper action and technical flexibility, I would like to invite my colleagues Shreya and Trupti for further outlining of the steps.
thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Trupti.
And this is Shreya, and together we are here to explain our idea of street rainwater harvesting system.
So let us begin to understand how this rainwater gets distributed.
When it rains, the water flowing along the roads is guided into the harvesting canals, which is built in between the roads and the drainage system in areas of vast brown fields. The water gets filtered in the harvesting canals and then is diverted into the pipelines, which is connected to the storage tanks in the crop fields, in the nearby regions, and in the medium to vegetation.
These tanks stores clean water which is further regulated for farming and other domestic purposes. Our setup ensures that not a single drop of water goes into waste and reaches the place that truly needs it. This setup not only helps farmer but also helps local residents.
Now let us see how the rainwater gets filtered within the canal. At the first layer is the loose soil. The loose soil has to be held with metal nets which will support it. The loose soil absorbs the initial flow and removes the final pollutants. Secondly comes our sand layer. The sand layer works as a first filter and removes the final pollutants, the silt particles and the final dust.
Aggregate layer ensures the trapping of larger debris such as leaves and twigs. The pebble layer at the bottom ensures the smooth drainage of water and then reaches to the place where it is truly needed.
Lastly, our system brings many benefits. It recharges the groundwater by allowing the water at some extent to seep into the soil. It controls flooding by capturing the runoff of rainwater. It stores rainwater sustainably, which can be hugely beneficial for farmers who are dependent upon rainfall for irrigation.
And our system not only supports the idea of agriculture but also urban greening. It ensures India's dream of being Atmanirbhar Bharat in water conservation.
Thank you.